The niche I'm going to show you today is mind-blowing, and it's pulling in millions of views, even if you are a beginner. And that's not the best thing. Creating videos for this niche is not that hard. Anyone can do it, if you know the correct method. And I'm pretty sure that you all have seen this niche on YouTube. This is the biggest channel under this niche. It's called Paint Explainer. Actually, this is the channel that started this trend. Even their recent uploads have millions of views, and YouTube pays around $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. So you do the math, and you can have an idea of how much this channel is making a month. And there are a lot of new channels that are doing this exact same style with different niches. This Paint Explainer channel mostly talks about creepy and disturbing facts about history and the world. And there is this new channel called Data Illusion. They use the exact same style, but their videos are about guns and weapons. With this strategy, they have gained 95,000 subscribers. And this new channel is doing the same for foods. And this one is doing videos about animals. These are different niches, but they all use the same explainer-style videos. And instead of copying each other, they're doing different categories. This is what you should do. Instead of going into a category which already been dominated, find a new category and be the biggest channel under that category. Now, I'm going to give you a list of niches that you can apply this method to, and then I will teach you how to make videos. I'm giving this all for free, and I recently noticed that only 13.8% viewers who watch my videos are subscribing to my channel. Thank you to you guys for helping me to grow my channel. If you think my channel is providing valuable information, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I would highly appreciate that. Okay, so this is the list I made. Take a screenshot and decide which niche you are going to do. When selecting the niche, do something that you actually love and are passionate about. Just for this example, I'm going to select Space Explainer and the Science category. Now, we can start the content creation process. The first step is to find a topic. I don't know much about space, but I love this category. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some ideas about this. Okay, I'm just going to use a simple prompt like this. Generate 20 video topic ideas for YouTube channel under the Space Explainer niche. Then I have added an example topic as well. I created this topic by getting some ideas from those channels I showed you. Now, ChatGPT can generate similar topics like this. Finding topics is the easiest part of this process. The next step is to make the script for the video. Unlike other niches, this type of videos don't need drama, hooks, or any special thing. We just need to explain the things in the simplest way possible. Even a kid could understand it. Since I don't know much about space, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to generate a script for my first topic. You don't need detailed prompts for this. We are just going to use this script as the baseline. I don't recommend using a 100% AI-generated script. We are using this script just to get the information we need, and then we need to make the script manually. It looks like the script is generated, but the problem here is that it's too short. So I'm just going to ask this to make the explanations a little bit longer. Now, this is perfect. When you are making your own script using this AI-generated version, don't use these phrases like, "Let's begin with something we know well, our sun." You just need to start explaining things immediately, and that's how we are keeping the viewer engaged. That's why I told you before that we don't need drama or fancy hooks for this niche, just straight up facts and information. After you modify your AI-generated script into your own version, we need to generate an AI voiceover for this. For this process, I'm going to use my favorite voice generator AI, which is DupDub AI. This AI has a 3-day free trial period, and that's really helpful for beginners. Not only does it offer an AI voice feature, but it also offers an AI avatar, video transcription, and voice cloning features as well. If you have multiple YouTube channels, I think this is the best option for you, and it's cost-friendly. So let's generate the AI voice. This part is so cool. If you go to this More Voiceover option, you can actually filter these voices based on your purpose. I'm going to go with English with an American accent, and it's better to use a male voice for these videos. And I don't really care about the age. Now from this side, we can also filter these voices by these categories. Let's go with this multi-emotive option and check several voices.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life.
Okay, I think this one is good for our video. I'm gonna select this. The next step is actually the easiest. You just need to add your script part by part to this. If you want, you can use these features to improve your voice by adding pauses and sound effects. It's actually not necessary for this niche, but if you want, you can do this. Then click this icon, and it's going to generate your AI voice.
The sun's surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is already hot enough to vaporize almost anything instantly, but the real heat lies deep inside its core.
Then you just need to click this export button and download the voice file. It's that simple. Okay, now let's start the video creation process. The first thing we need to do is to create a thumbnail image similar to this, so that we can use it on the video. Creating this image is super easy with AI. You just need to use this prompt and enter the details. In this case, it's going to be sun, blue giant stars, white dwarf stars, and etc. Once you add all the details, you can easily generate that image with ChatGPT or any other AI image generator. Now, we just need to gather the images and video clips that we need, and these materials should match our video script. You can search for images from Google and download them, or you can use AI generate images. Vecteezy is another website where you can download copyright-free videos and images. Once you gather all the materials, you can start the editing process with CapCut. First, you need to select a 16:9 aspect ratio, because this is going to be a long video. Then import all the materials, including voiceovers, images, and videos you gathered. This editing process is actually very easy. Start the process by adding the voiceover files to the timeline. Then, I'm going to add this white layer as the background. First, I'm going to add the thumbnail image, and we need to make some zoom-in animation. It's really simple. All you need to do is make keyframes on positions and scale. Just click this, and it's going to make a keyframe. Then you need to go several frames forward, zoom in, and change the position like this. And now it's going to have this zoom in effect. Then let's add suitable images and videos to match the script. You can also add the text layers for the necessary places. When adding text, make sure to use a simple and playful font like this. That's actually it. You just need to keep adding images and videos as the explanation goes. The only thing you need to be careful about here is to match the script and explanation with suitable images and videos. Here is the first part of the video I created.
The sun's surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is already hot enough to vaporize almost anything instantly, but the real heat lies deep inside its core. At the center of the sun, temperatures reach about 15 million degrees Celsius. This extreme heat allows nuclear fusion to occur. In this process, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse together to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This energy travels outward through the star and eventually radiates into space as light and heat. Every second, the sun converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into energy.
Just like that, you can easily make videos for this viral niche. And as I mentioned earlier, you can easily apply this same method to any explainer-style category. So with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you guys learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you in the next video.